So if you want to turn off different heads so that they're not sewing, let's say you're only running one design at a time, what you want to do is you want to hit this little switch here. So this switch is going to determine your thread break sensor. So in the up position, it's on, so it will stop the machine after so many stitches where it detects that the thread isn't moving through this wheel here. If you have it in the middle, it will turn it off. So it'll just keep running even if the thread is detected to not be moving. But to actually stop the head completely, you want to turn it into jump mode, which is on the bottom. So now it's going to engage a jump solenoid, which is going to prevent the reciprocator from actually grabbing the needle bar and throwing the needle through. So we're going to turn that off. There's another key thing you want to do too, because the take-up levers will still run. They will always run. So you're going to grab yourself a magnet and put it over the needle bar case cover. So I'm going to do that on this one too. And I'm just going to grab this one here and make sure that is on there. And then I guess I got another one right here. And shut that one off too. So now I just verify off, 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 on. And now I'll see that heads 4, 3, and 2 will be off. Head 1 will be running. So now I can hit start. And we can see there. And if I want to turn it back on, I can take it off and I'm going to hit it on. And if I want it to tie in slowly, I can hit this button and it will tell this head to tie in. So now if I turn it on, it would run slower than it was before. And that's the same for all these other ones. So on punch, on punch. And just like that, that's how you can do your individual heads if you need to do it that way.